Hello, everyone! Mr. D here with another exciting episode of the movie Harry Potter and the Chamber of Isolation. Kind of. Hey, listen, I just wanted to talk to you about what are the basics of sound, and I'm pretty sure that you guys know a lot of that, but I just wanted to put it in a lesson so you guys can have a little bit of fun with it. Um, when you talk about sound, you talk about pitch. And the pitch is the word to describe how high or low a note is. When you look at the piano, the notes that are going to the right are the notes that go higher up, and the notes that go to the left are the lower notes. Some instruments can play both high and low notes. Some instruments can play only high, some instruments can play only low notes. And when you talk about pitch, you're talking about frequency, and that is the number of cycles per second. And the cycles per second are called hertz in the honor of the German physicist Heinrich Hertz, um, who proved the existence of electromagnetic waves. And today, I'm going to use my to-do pad to show you a couple of things. This is how you spell hertz. It is the same way that you spell that company for car rental. Now, an important number to remember is 440. That is your tuning pitch. 440 is your tuning A. This is what Mr. D has played every class. At the beginning of class, Mr. G plays A, and that has the frequency of 440 cycles per second. Now, that may vary a little bit. For example, some orchestras use 442, but it's either 440 or 442. I know that is super exciting. In any case, uh, if you have a piano, you can play some high notes or low notes. If you have an instrument at home, you can try to play some very high notes and very low notes. Or if you don't have an instrument at home, you can do it yourself, or ask your parents, ask your mom to sing as high as she can, and your dad to sing as low as he can. It's going to be fun.